Hey guys, here's our second quiz for chapter 10. We'll get right into it here with how do we do number 1 and number 2, okay? They want to know what the arc is of ABC, that is this one here. Let's do that in red, at least so it's a little bit easier to see. So how many degrees is that arc? So all we need to do is look at this guy, okay, since he's making his sides, this angle is making ABC, and our rules tell us that we double this number. We double it. Okay, so that's what you do for number 1. Number 2, same concept, HEF, so we want to know how many degrees it is all the way around here. So we look at that number, and we're going to do the same thing to it that we did to this one over here. We double it to get that arc. Number 3, in order to find the value of x, we are going to subtract these two, divide by 2, and that equals x. Number 4, we take these two guys here, we take our angles and add them, and then divide by 2. Number 5, similar sort of thing as number 3, just a little bit different. So now we're going to say x minus 56 divided by 2 equals 29. Okay, that's how you set that up. I would multiply by 2 first to both sides. That'll get rid of your fraction. And question number 6. We're going to take x minus 198 divided by 2 equals 34. Again, follow the same steps as you did in number 5. Make sure you put your answers over on the blank. Take your time. You have lots of it. Have a good rest of your day.